Magandang araw! Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay addition of polynomial. Ito ang mga steps. Combine similar terms. Number 2, get the sum of numerical coefficient. Number 3, copy the literal coefficient. Halimbawa, mayroon tayong 3x squared. At tayo ay tinanong kung anong numerical coefficient. Simple lang, ito yung number na katabi ng ating letter sa ating base. And that is 3. Samantala, ang literal coefficient ay x squared. Now, let us have an example. Find the sum of the following. Number 1, 4x and 5x. Unang gagawin, identify kung ano ba ang numerical coefficient. Sa ating number 1, ang numerical coefficient ay 4 at 5. Add lang natin. 4 plus 5. The sum is 9. And then, copy the literal coefficient. So here, we have x. Therefore, our sum is 9x. Number 2, 10xy and 3xy. Ang ating numerical coefficient dito ay 10 at 3. So, 10 plus 3, we have 13. And then, just copy the literal coefficient. Ulitin ko, kapag nag-a-add tayo, kailangan pareho ang literal coefficient natin. Number 3, 15m and negative 3m. Identify ulit ang numerical coefficient at ito ay 15 at negative 3. Pagsamahin natin, 15 plus negative 3, the sum is 12. Para ka lang nagsusubtract. Then, copy the literal coefficient. Ulitin ko, you cannot combine unlike terms. Number 4, negative 7mn and 12mn. Ang numerical coefficient dito ay negative 7 at 12. Combine natin. Negative 7 plus 12. The answer is 5. Susundin natin ang sign ng mayroong malaking absolute value. So, sa number 4, mas malaki ang absolute value ng 12 kaysa sa negative 7. Kaya ang sign ng ating sagot ay positive. Then, just copy literal coefficient which is mn. Ibig sabihin, negative 7mn plus 12mn, the sum is 5mn. Number 5, xyz and negative 9xyz. So, dito, sa ating xyz, ang numerical coefficient niya ay invisible 1. Samantalang, negative 9 naman sa negative 9xyz. Add natin 1 plus negative 9. The answer is negative 8. We have to follow the sign of the bigger absolute value, and that is negative. Then, copy the literal coefficient. Number 6, negative 12x squared and negative 5x squared. Identify the numerical coefficient which is negative 12 and negative 5. Pagsamahin lang natin, negative 12 plus negative 5, the sum is negative 17. Then, as usual, you have to copy the literal coefficient, x squared. Again, you cannot add unlike terms or dissimilar terms. So, here, pareho silang x squared, kaya pwede silang pagsamahin. Number 7, negative 7x squared y and 9yx squared. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, ang kanyang arrangement ng literal coefficient ay magkaiba, pero pareho ang kanilang literal coefficient. So, identify ulit ang numerical coefficient, negative 7 at 9. Then, combine natin. Negative 7 plus 9, the answer is 2. Sundin natin ang sign ng may mataas na absolute value, and that is 9. It's just like 9 minus 7. Then, just copy the literal coefficient, x squared y. Ibig sabihin, negative 7 x squared y plus 9y x squared is 2x squared y. So, dito nauna ang x kaysa sa y. Sinusunod natin ang alphabet. Number 8. 10ab squared and 4b squared a. Identify natin ang numerical coefficient. Yan ay 10 at 4. Add natin. 10 plus 4, we have 14. Then, katulad nung number 7, parehong-pareho ang kanilang literal coefficient. Sa ikalawa lang, nauna yung b square. Ang susundin natin, ulitin ko, ay ang alphabet. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, ang exponent ng b ay square. Dito sa isang term, ang exponent ng b ay square din. Samantalang ang a ay mayroong exponent na invisible 1, katulad din nito. So, pwede natin siyang pagsamahin. They are similar terms. Therefore, copy natin ab square. Ang sagot sa number 8 ay 14ab square. Number 9. Negative 3ab square and 4ab square. Ang numerical coefficient natin dito ay negative 3 at 4. Combine natin. Since pareho naman ang kanyang literal coefficient, negative 3 plus 4, we have 1. So, 4 minus 3 is 1. Then, just copy the literal coefficient. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, wala siyang nakasulat na 1. Yan ay invisible 1. Okay? Number 10. Negative 10xy cubed and negative 12xy cubed. Ang ating numerical coefficient ay negative 10 at negative 12. Combine lang natin. Negative 10 plus negative 12, the sum is negative 22. At ang ating literal coefficient ay xy cubed. Copy lang natin yan. Therefore, for number 10, we have negative 22xy cubed. Kung mapapansin nyo, parehas ang kanilang literal coefficient. Pagsasamahin nyo lang ang terms na may parehong literal coefficient. We call that one as similar terms. Next example. What about if we have trinomial? The best way to add this is to have a vertical form. Sulat natin ng vertical. Pagtatapatin natin ang may parehong terms. So, we have here 5x squared plus 3x minus 5 plus x squared minus 6x plus 4. So, in addition, ang parenthesis ay hindi nakakaapekto sa kanyang sum. Okay? So, kung mapapansin natin, pinagtapat natin yung parehong may x square. Pinagtapat natin ang 5x square at x square. Samantala, pinagtapat din natin ang 3x at 6x. Pareho ang kanilang literal coefficient. Ganon din ang constant na negative 5 at positive 4. Now, let us proceed with addition. So, dito, 5x squared plus x squared. Ang ating numerical coefficient ay 5 at ang invisible 1. Tandaan, kapag walang numerical coefficient, yan po ay merong invisible 1. Add lang natin ang numerical coefficient na 5 at 1. We'll have 6. Then, copy the literal coefficient, which is x squared. Next, we have positive 3 plus negative 6. The answer here is negative 3. We have to follow the sign of the bigger absolute value, which is negative 6. Mas malaki ang absolute value ng negative 6 kaysa sa ating 3. And then, copy the literal coefficient. Next, negative 5 plus 4 will have negative 1. Therefore, 5x squared plus 3x minus 5 added to x squared minus 6x plus 4 will have the sum of 6x squared minus 3x minus 1. Next, number 2. We have 10b cubed minus 3b plus 11 plus 8b plus 2b cubed plus 3. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, yung naunang ay nasa standard form na, samantalang ating subtrahend ay wala sa standard form. Kapag sinabing nasa standard form, ito po ay naka-arrange base sa kanyang exponent ng kanyang literal coefficient. So, dito mas nauuna ang may mataas na exponent, which is 3. Dito, samantalang dito, pangalawa lang siya. So, gamitin natin ang vertical form. You have 10b cubed minus 3b. Itatapat natin sa 10b cubed ay yung 2b cubed. Kasi pareho sila ng literal coefficient. Magkatapat po, 2b cubed. Magkatapat ang negative 3b at positive 8b. At ang constant na 11 at 3. Now, let's proceed. Let us add 1 by 1. 10b cubed plus 2b cubed, we have, add ang numerical coefficient. We have here 12. Copy the literal coefficient, b cubed. Next, in our second term, we have the numerical coefficient here are negative 3 and 8. And if we combine this, we'll get positive 5. Then copy the literal coefficient, which is b. Then 11 plus 3 will get 14. Therefore, 10b cubed minus 3b plus 11 added to 8b plus 2b cubed plus 3 will get the sum of 12b cubed plus 5b plus 14. Now, let us have a practice. Let us add the given polynomial. Letter A, 7x plus 8x. We'll have 7 plus 8 will get 15x. Letter B, we'll have here binomial. Negative 3x cubed plus 9 added to negative 4x cubed minus 7. We'll get negative 7x cubed. 9 minus 7, you have positive 2. Therefore, we'll have here negative 7 cubed plus 2. Next, letter C, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 added to x squared plus 2x. So, as you see, we will add trinomial by a binomial. So, dito meron tayong tatlong terms. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Samantalang sa ating addends, we'll have 2 terms lang or binomial. Pinagtapat natin yung may parehong literal coefficient. Walang katapat ang ating constant na 1 kasi walang constant ang ating pangalawang polynomial. Now, let's proceed. 2x squared plus x will have 3x squared. Remember, mayroong invisible 1 sa ating x squared, sa ating addends na x squared. Next, 3x plus 2x will have 5x. Then just bring down 1. Therefore, our answer here is 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. Next, 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 9. Added to 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 1. So here we have polynomial with 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. In our addends, we have trinomial only. 2x cubed, 1, 2, and then 3. So as you see, pagtatapatin natin ang mga may kaparehong literal coefficient. Hindi sila pwedeng pagsamahin kapag magkaiba silang terms. Therefore, 2x cubed plus 2x cubed will get 4x cubed. Negative 5 squared plus negative 4x squared will have negative 9x squared. Just bring down 3x. Negative 9 minus 1 will have negative 10. Therefore, our answer for letter D is 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 3x minus 10. Kung nagustuhan mo ang tutorial na to, don't forget to leave your comments, likes, and share na lang po at isubscribe. Maraming salamat. Chang Dayan is now signing off.